Hello everyone. In this calculus tutorial, we explain how to calculate the areas between functions or curves. In particular, in this tutorial, we consider this problem. Find the area of the region bounded by these functions. Y is equal to e to the power x, y is equal to x is equal to 0, and x is equal to 1. The best strategy for solving this problem is to graph these functions. So let's do that. Over here, I'm going to draw vertical and horizontal axes. The horizontal axis is denoted by x and the vertical axis is denoted by y. First of all, let's sketch this function y is equal to e to the power x. This is an exponential function. When x is equal to 0, the value of the function is 1. Consequently, our function will start from here. Then, this function is monotonically increasing. This means that it continuously increases, and I'm going to use dashed line to sketch the function. It looks like this. Okay, next, let's sketch the function y is equal to x. Y is equal to x is a simple linear function that makes an angle with 45 degrees with respect to the x-axis, and consequently this function looks like this. Again, I'm going to use dashed lines to sketch the function. To be able to completely sketch this region, we need to consider the values for x. Over here we have x is equal to 0, and this is actually a vertical line starting at x is equal to 0. Here it is. Again, I'm going to use dashed line to represent this boundary. Then we have x is equal to 1. Again, this is a vertical line starting at x is equal to 1, and here it is. Okay, now we can sketch our area and our region. Here is the first boundary. Here is the second boundary. The third boundary is this function y is equal to e to the power x, and let's sketch this boundary. And the lower boundary is given by the function y is equal to x, and here it is. And here is our region. Over here, I will use this red line to denote the region. Here it is. We need to compute the area of this region. So how to do that? Let the area of this region be denoted by A. Then the area of the region is simply an integral from 0 to 1, that is from this vertical line to this vertical line. And over here we have a difference between y is equal to e to the power x and y is equal to x. That is, inside of the integral we will have e to the power x minus x. And everything is integrated with respect to dx. And that's it. You just need to evaluate this integral. We have a is equal to integral of e to the power x from 0 to 1 dx minus integral from 0 to 1 x dx. Now, let's first of all evaluate this integral. Area becomes integral of e to the power x is simply e to the power x, and let's not forget the upper and lower bounds. We draw a vertical line. This means that this integral, or better to say this function, should be evaluated 1 and 0. And over here, we need to compute this integral. The integral becomes 1/2 x squared, and don't forget the boundaries, 0, 1. Let's continue. Area becomes, let's substitute. This vertical bar is evaluated like this. We have e to the power 1 minus e to the power 0 minus 1/2, and we do the same thing for this quadratic function. We have 1 to the power 2 minus 0 to the power 2. And that's it. Let's compute these values. So we have a is equal to e to the power 1 is simply e to the power 0 is 1, and we have a minus sign, consequently we have minus 1, and over here we have 1 minus 0 becomes 1, minus 1.1 over 2 becomes simply 1 over 2, and consequently the result is e minus, let's see what do we have over here. We can write this as minus 3 over 2, and that's it. This can also be written as e minus 1.5. Consequently, the area over here is a is equal to e minus 1.5.